I'm going to show you in this video how you can enlarge image for printing in GIMP. So as you can see, I have a very small resolution for this image. I have over here very small resolution, and I would like to make this much better for printing. So what can I do first is go to image here. What I'm doing, I hope it's going to work for you as well. And then I can go to precision here and select 32-bit floating point. That's what I'm using instead of it was 8-bit. That was like the original precision bit. So I'm changing this to 32. So I'm going to click on convert, and now okay. And now what I'm going to do as well, I click on image here and then select scale image, and here interpolation instead of cubic I'm going to select no hollow, and then here here in scale image no hollow, and then I'm going to change the width to 4:2, and I click on scale. And I click on scale, and that's what I want first. Now I'm hold space and move around, and now here I can hold zoom out and I can select the image, so the image is here. And if you have problems with the canvas, just also change the canvas size. So yeah, maybe it's not going to lag because also the file size now it's gonna be huge. Not super huge, but it's just gonna increase the size. But I hope you found this tip helpful. If you found it helpful, like this video, subscribe, I really appreciate it. I decided to share this with you because I found this tip very helpful. So yeah, thanks for watching and take care.